Hello everyone. MeshInspector welcomes you. In this video, we'll show how to transform voxel files into meshes, an essential step for inspecting CT scan data or preparing models for 3D printing. Whether it's medical applications, like patient-specific implants, or industrial scanning for precision measurements, MeshInspector has you covered. For this task, MeshInspector offers two modes. Simple conversion is fast but less precise. Smart conversion is optimized for accuracy but requires more time and resources. Let's see them in action. We start with a chest scan, which has some noise. Using Change ISO, we isolate the area of interest before converting voxels into a mesh. First, let's try simple conversion. It's quick but may miss details. We keep the source voxel data in place for some subsequent comparison. Here's our first mesh, simple. Now, let's run Smart Conversion. This mode detects steep gradients near each point and shifts vertices accordingly, producing a crisper, more precise mesh based on the same source voxels in the same place. Key settings here are sampling points that define the neighborhood size around each vertex. Higher values improve accuracy but slow down processing. Intermediate smoothing predictably controls smoothing per iteration. Higher values here reduce noise. Iterations specify how many refinement cycles to perform. More iterations lead to a more precise mesh but increase computation time. Other settings are less critical here. For extra details, check the tooltips or our article linked in the description. Now, let's click Convert to obtain our smart mesh. Both meshes are generated in the same position, so we use the Distance Compare tool in the Inspect tab to visualize differences. Green zones are those with minimal differences, meaning both meshes align well. Red zones indicate deviations where the simple mesh is too inflated or eroded. As expected, differences are noticeable, confirming that Smart Conversion delivers better accuracy. See you later in our next videos.